Alright, so this is my WestHall mobile app. On the landing screen there's a picture of the W building. If we click on the first floor button, it shows us a picture of the first floor. Go back, click on the second floor button, and we see a picture of the second floor. Go back again, third floor, picture of the third floor. Back to the landing screen, and the campus map button shows us a picture of the campus map with the W building being right here. And then the About button, created for iTech 4550 by Philip Parks. And that is my app.